Yusek, how will this Kawayanihan po will give the nation its identity as a Filipino community?
Maganda po kasi ang bamboo ay it grows all over the country, from Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. Filipinos are very familiar with bamboo. Nung maliliit pa tayo, I think that very rare na hindi tayo makakita ng bamboo. This has been, aside from coconut, this has been a prolific plant na wherein this can be utilized in so many things. And so I think that this can best describe yung Filipinos, especially on resiliency. Di ba, pag dumapa ang bamboo ay bumabalik ulit at tumatayo. Ganito tayong mga Pinoy. So symbolize our resiliency. I think bamboo will be the best plant for this. Yun ang aking tingin dito. And as I said, malaki ang potential ng bamboo.
Thank you, Yusek.
Thank you.
Sir, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Congratulations for the successful.
Thank you.
Sir, pwede po na ba natin ma-introduce yung sarili natin?
Well, ako po ay si Undersecretary Sancho Mabborang ng Department of Science and Technology. I supervise and manage the 16 regional offices and 82 provinces.
Sir, pwede po ba natin for the viewers na hindi po aware kung ano po yung kawayanihan sa mga panunod na pwede po natin ma-pila lang. And then, ano po bang relation ito for the Guinness World?
Well, una-una, yung Kawayanihan is an advocacy, a movement, and a priority plan of the Department of Science and Technology to promote circular economy that symbolizes bamboo, because bamboo is it's a commodity. Bamboo is a plant wherein this can be used in many ways. For example, in the circular economy, what we would like to use would be the different utilization of bamboo, from the roots to the trees, not the trees, the trunk, the leaves, and others. This can be used for food. This can be used for textile, for construction, and many other things. So yung amin namang attempt dito is just, to reinforce the Kawayanihan and a statement that the Filipino can na sinisimbolize ng bamboo. Meaning, yung ating products out of bamboo can be globally competitive, can be internationally recognized, and can be an inspiration to farmers, an inspiration to entrepreneurs, an inspiration to researchers and scientists, that bamboo products can really compete worldwide. So that is why tomorrow we'll be attempting to break or to set the Guinness World Record for the simultaneously most number of bamboo to be planted. So we have about tomorrow 5,300 planters nationwide, not only in Mindanao but in Luzon and Visayas.
Sure, ano po ba yung mga challenges na na-foresee natin for especially in promoting, like for the development and then for promoting the bamboo technology?
Well, unang-una, meron kasi tayong notion ng lowly bamboo nga na ibig sabihin ng mga Pilipino, there is a notion na bamboo cannot be walang sophistication, walang complexities, walang value adding, and so on and so forth. Ang nakikita natin sa bamboo is just the ordinary use of bamboo. Ang aking analogy dyan ay would be the bahay kubo. Yun ang lagi nakikita. But there are technologies now that we may look at, we may want to look at, na highly sophisticated, like engineered bamboo. Ang gaganda ng mga furnitures that can be produced out of engineered bamboo. The textiles that can be produced are world class, depending of course on the fashion designers. And other things, yung bamboo that are being developed by FPRDI that can be parang used as bulletproof vest. We are now also doing an R&D so that bamboo can be a substitute material for vehicles. Like for example, armored vehicles na pwede na, kasi mabigat heavy ang armored vehicles. Baka we may also later on have R&D outputs that will replace this material. Ang isang major challenges is, ito kasi is whole of nation approach. Imagine having to work with 80 institutions all over the country just to break this record. So medyo quite challenging because, kailangan may buy-in ang bawat institutions, kailangan clear ang roles and responsibilities, and then towards a common goal, which is to really plant bamboo and be able to derive later on livelihood, opportunities, income opportunities to be able to, let's say, probably and ultimately help accelerate yung socio-economic development of the country.
Sir, may mensahe po ba tayo or for those mga organizations and parties na nag-support po sa atin?
Well, unang-una, I'd like to take this opportunity to thank the media. Media is a very, very important partner, and the media outfits and the media groups really supported this attempt. And so we'd like to thank the media. Second is, please continue doing and supporting the programs of the DOST on bamboo, especially here in the Mindanao area, wherein they say that it's a place where the bamboo grows more robust in the northeastern seaboard of the country. And so we will continue doing this, and hopefully we can come up with models and use case that can be also used in other areas of the country, so that we can promote bamboo as not only as a movement but advocacy as well, and to inspire the people that we can compete globally, we can compete internationally, and we have the technology and the talent to do this. Salamat sa inyo.
Sir, pwede, wait lang. Sir, pwede pa, for GMA Regional TV, for being the media partner.
Kami po ay nagpapasalamat sa GMA Regional TV for their assistance and their support on this endeavor to break the record and to come up with the Guinness World Record for the most number of bamboo planted simultaneously. So, salamat po sa inyo.
You said, is this the first time that the Philippines is going to set a record?
Yes, for bamboo. This will be the first time. And we hope to next year meron ulit. Kaya lang I will not mention dahil surprise, but I think we will again attempt to break a record on bamboo.
Gano'n po karami yung i-break natin na record?
On the pipeline, parang 4. 1 this year and the others will be spread over the next 4 years.